The move operation allows you to easily migrate a VPG to a peer site. A move operation is useful when you would like to move a VM or VPG to a peer site and use the very latest copy of the data. It is similar to a live failover, except it involves a graceful shutdown of the VMs in order to grab the most up-to-date copy of data. In this way, it guarantees an RPO of 0, whereas a live failover prioritizes achieving the lowest possible RTO at the expense of a few seconds of data loss. Click the Move button in the bottom left-hand corner of the ZVM. Select the VPGs to move. Click Next. The ZVM Site Settings menu is where the default commit policy and the default timeout in minutes is set. However, any of those predetermined default settings can be manually changed here. You can choose to set the commit policy to None, Auto Commit, or Auto Rollback. If you select either Auto Commit or Auto Rollback, you can change the timeout setting next to the dropdown. The timeout for both uses minutes and is set to 60 minutes by default. In the parameters, you can set reverse protection, force shutdown, and keeping the source VM. You cannot select both reverse protection and keep source VMs. Click Next. Click the Start Move button. A commit policy warning will appear. Click Start Move. At this point, you will now see the VMs in the target site. The commit policy dictates how much time, if any, is now available to test and validate that the VMs and applications have been successfully deployed on the target site. From the dashboard, click the check mark next to Moving before Commit. Click Commit. You can also access Commit the Move by clicking Monitoring and Tasks and clicking the check mark in the status column of the task. If you do not manually commit, the move will auto-commit after the set period of time that you determine in the move's operations settings.